EssProM EPM Simplified.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a crucial topic for financial planning, balance sheet AR, and AP planning using NetSuite Planning and Budgeting. So let's jump right in. Balance sheet planning in NetSuite, with a focus on accounts receivable, AR, and accounts payable, AP, is crucial for businesses aiming to maintain financial health, optimize cash flow, and improve working capital management. Accounts receivable and accounts payable are key components in the balance sheet, particularly when it comes to managing short-term assets and liabilities. By effectively forecasting AR and AP, companies gain insight into cash inflows and outflows, enabling better financial planning and liquidity management. NetSuite's cloud-based tools provide the integration and automation necessary to keep the balance sheet accurate, up-to-date, and aligned with financial goals. Let's see the workflow in the instance. This is the NSPB home screen. Click on Budget Card and then Balance Sheet Cash Flow Planning. Cash flow is the last process in Balance Sheet module. First, let's go to the setup. The clients provide us with accounts that need to be fixed in the account receivables and account payables. For example, in this case, our account receivable is $11,010, trade debtors, and account payable is $20,005, trade creditors. These are the GL heads. The balance sheet that is provided by the client has the opening balance for actuals, which we copy to the budget opening balance as indicated by the client. Now let's look into the collection rate opening and collection rate during. So for FY24 budget for January has an opening balance of $499,795. Collection rate opening is the amount you are collecting from opening balance in that month. Now for the rest of the sales that occur in the month of January, that amount is the sales amount which is in the month of January you have sold is $299,2446. Now to see where the sales value flow from, let's go to the setup screen. Over here you can see the balance sheet drivers, which has the account trade debtors. A few P&L accounts are tagged. If we backtrack to financial statement, under total department and total location, all the summation of these accounts from the P&L statements flow into the trade debtors. The sales column is my current month in sales. Now the amount of money you collect from that month's sale is the collection rate, during which over here is 30%. Therefore 20% of opening balance and 30% of sales will be the collections for the current month. Closing balance is opening balance plus sales minus collections for that month. Similarly, this closing balance of the month January is the opening balance for the next month, and the same calculation happens till December for account receivables. Now for the account payables, the purchases of the company are posted on this opening balance. Purchases is how much is it purchasing that month, and the data flows from setup where we have mapped the trade creditors. If we go to financial statements, we will get to see the values under total department and total location. The payment rate opening is how much we are paying from the current opening balance. Hence, 15% of payment rate, opening plus 40% of purchases, is the total payments. The closing balance is the sum of opening balance plus purchases minus payments will give you the closing balance. Similarly, current month's closing balance will flow to the next month's opening balance, and the same process is followed every month. This is how we do our AR and AP planning. In conclusion, NetSuite Planning and Budgeting provides a robust framework for managing AR and AP planning, leading to better financial performance, increased operational efficiency, and improved decision-making for the future. Proper planning and forecasting in these areas help businesses navigate cash flow challenges and ensure that they can meet both short-term and long-term financial obligations. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For any queries, reach out to us at support@essprom.com. Thanks for watching.